Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're on a pre-owned 2023 Cruisers 42 GLS Outboard.
And is powered with triple 400 horsepower Mercury Verado power with joystick piloting. Boat is a retractable sunshade, sea deck throughout the decks, cockpit and bow. High gloss teak table here in the cockpit you can see. This is a pre-owned trade-in, just came into MarineMax Boston. This boat is a cockpit grill, cockpit refrigerator. This has a full side glass option as well. Two 12-inch Simrad touchscreen MFDs. Boat has radar, also has a sounder module. Here you have the skyhook feature, the joystick piloting. That's also an autopilot. Down below, accommodations for 4 people. Moving forward, plenty of bow seating. There's also a removable bow table.
If you'd like additional information, please contact me at 781-727-0629.